Hello. This is a demonstration on using a Lafayette tube tester. It's actually a copy of the EMC 215 tube tester. It's exactly the same circuit, same setup, uses the same tube data chart. They've just relabeled it Lafayette. Now we're just going to do a check on a ECC 83 valve, and first thing we need to do is switch it on. And to set it up from the chart, the filament volts is on D, the filament select is on 9, and we're going to keep these switches at the bottom for the time being because we're going to do a short and leakage test first. And this quality short switch has to be in a short position. The tube transistor switch has to be in the tube position because this one can actually test transistors as well. And the normal and special switch is in the normal position. It's all in the tube data chart. And the normal and the special switch is usually in the normal position. So it's set up now. The shunt is on 30 and that's in short. So I go put the valve in now. Just going to let it warm up. We're going to move these switches on the bottom here one at a time and observe the neon lamp there. If it glows, it's going to be a short. But there's parts in the manual that tells you where it should glow, and we'll come to that later. So we put it 1 now. It's a bit of a flash there, which is just capacitance. That's 2, that's okay. That's 3. Now that's 4, and you hope you can see the lamp glowing there. But the tube data chart shows that it should actually glow at 4 and 5. That's okay, that's just filament continuity. And there's 5 glowing as well. 6, 7, there's 8, and there's 9. Once again, it's glowing on 9. The filament select switch is on 9. So whatever position that's on, it's going to glow. It's also, this is like a dual triode valve, and the number 9 switch is linked to the filament circuit. So that's completed the test. There's no shorts or leakages. So now we can go ahead and do the quality test. So for that, we put all them switches back again. This quality short switch now goes into the quality position. Make sure that the shunt control is on 30. And it's a dual triode valve, so for the first triode, it's switches 1 and 2 go to the P position. As you can see there, it's warmed up, so it's gone straight across. It's reading about 40 there, so that's a very good reading. Now to check the second one, the switches are in the 6 and 7 are moved to the P position. And once again, it's a very balanced tube, just getting about over 40 for each triode. So that completes the test for that one. I have another one here. It's actually a weak one. So it's the same valve, an ECC 83. And I've checked it for leakages. So I'll just go and check it for the quality on this one as well. Let the valve warm up a bit. It's on 6 and 7 still. So we're going to check the second triode. And as you can see, it's moving up slowly there. It's warming up. Once again, it's going towards 38, 40. It'll reach 40 later on. We'll check the first triode, which is switches 1 and 2 in that position. And as you can see, this is a weak one. It's always caused problems, this valve. It was in an amplifier, and there was always a lot of distortion on it. And the reason is because one of the triodes is faulty. So that's that. As I said, this tester can also check transistors. And for the transistors, it's only run by 2 C-type batteries inside the case there, 1.5 volts. And if you want to do check a transistor, use the batteries inside, so we don't want any mains connected. And it's got the normal connections here, and this one is for checking your power transistors. This switch here from tubes goes over to transistors. It's a simple matter of inserting the transistor. As I said, it hasn't been calibrated, the transistors. Everything's working fine there. And, as I said, this is a copy of the EMC 215 tube tester. I've got a similar tester. This is an EMC 213. The only difference between this and that one is that this one doesn't check transistors. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.